Hey everyone, Amanda from Swift Galleries here, and today we've got a really quick tip about how to quickly align your images when you're in the Gallery Designer. Okay, so I've got these three metal prints here for my client, and as you can see, this middle one is much higher than the other two, but let's say that's where I want to align all three of these metal prints. So I'm going to drag my mouse down just so I can select each one of those to get them all together. I'm going to click the Shift button on my keyboard and the up arrow. Bam, just like that, everything has been aligned to the top of the tallest, or I guess the highest in this case, metal print. Now let's say we want to align everything to, let me get this kind of all over the place. So let's say we want to align them down to the lowest one here. So we're going to again select all of ours, click the Shift button, and then the down arrow, and everything gets aligned with the bottom of that metal print. Same thing can work for if you are wanting to align in a vertical manner as well. So let's say we've got all of these and we want them to line up with this image here. Select, oops, there we go. Sorry, on a laptop, much harder to select without a mouse. Okay, so I've got these here. We're going to click the Shift button, hold that down, click our left arrow, and everything gets aligned with this one right there. Same thing, let's say we want to align everything with this metal print. Select your images here, Shift, and then right arrow. And there you go. Really quick, easy way to align your images when you're working with a client and designing their galleries. Join us for some more tips on the next video.